Another video from Wabili Concept today. Guys, today this is an installation project of interior wooden doors within Lagos State. We started this. What I just want to discuss on this project is how to install wooden door. How can you plan a wooden door? If you have a wooden door project in your house, for your house project, if you are in the diaspora, you are planning a house project, there are some information, there are some important steps you need to know before planning the door. Firstly, you should know that the wooden door is the final stage after tiling. Is what you should do after tiling. Because tiles have to go under the door level. So another factors to consider is do you want your door to be installed with a subframe or a foam gum? All these factors need to be into consideration before tiling. Let's talk about if you are planning a subframe. A subframe is a wood used as a skeleton. It can be just two wood on the wall. It can be a square wood on the wall used to support the strength of the final door finishes, or used as a backbone to give the final door finishes its strength it needs for installation. Other alternative of installation is the foam installation. So when the subframe is installed, the next is to do your tiling. After tiling, then the final is a measurement of the wall to walls. What we always take measurement in door installation is we take the width of the wall, that's the thickness of the wall. We take the highest thickness, that's the highest. If you have like a wall that have been plastered, if you have like 10 inches, 9 inches, 11 inches, we take the one that has the largest, which is the 11 inches. Then the height, when you're taking the height of wooden doors for measurement, sometimes you can have your lintel bent, you can have it straight, you can have it. You take the lowest point of that height. That is the lowest point. That is the height we take into consideration. Then the width is the lowest width. You can take it up, middle, and down. We go with the lowest. That is the idealistic about taking this measurement. This is how you take your measurement, even if you want to submit a measurement for someone who is not in this line. And this is information that we use. That's the secret of this job precisely. Although even if you have it, if you don't know it, there are some technical calculation that are still involved in the production settings, because when you have your measurement, you need to consider the frame, the standing frame, the top frame, the allowance, the clearance have to be removed in order to get the final measurement. So guys, this is Wabili Concept. Today I just want to discuss about this, how you can take measurement, how you can install wooden doors, what you should do. This is what we do, and we have been doing it. So guys, this is Wabili Concept. You can always check us on our Instagram page, Wabili House Finishes. On our Facebook page, we have Wabili House Finishes, and on our YouTube channel is Wabili Concept. Guys, this is Wabili Oladimeji. 08064743744 is the phone number. 0808049